Hi guys, my name is Marilia. I work with the social activities and today we're going to learn how to make a frittata using those ingredients. Let's see! Those are the ingredients that we're going to use for this frittata, guys. So here I start to shred them and cut everything. And I already whisk the eggs with the heavy cream. And now I'm going to cook the bacon. The bacon is ready and now I'm using the same oil to cook a little bit the potatoes. So the potatoes should be here with the pepper for approximately 4 to 6 minutes until they are a little bit brown. If you guys don't like potato or don't want to use the bacon, that's okay. You can do the frittata only with the eggs, the heavy cream, and all the vegetables that you like. Okay? When the potatoes are ready, we are going to add the tomato, carrots, and the spinach. And if you want to add another vegetables, it's up to you. You can add as many vegetables as you like. And then we're going to stir for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, when the spinach is cooked, we're going to add bacon and stir a little bit more. You need to heat your oven for 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Okay? You're going to add the cheese on top of the vegetables until the cheese is melted. Now we're going to pour the eggs with the heavy cream evenly in the pan. Tilt a little bit, make sure it's coated. And we're going to let it cook for about 1 minute until you can see the edges of the eggs in the pan. It's almost ready. We can see the edges of the pan here. Now I'm going to start to transfer the frittata to this container because my pan it's not oven safe. So we need to put in the oven. That's why I'm going to transfer to that container. The frittata is ready to go in the oven. We're going to bake it for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. To check if it's ready, you can just make a cut in the middle of the frittata, and if the eggs are still raw, you can cook for a couple more minutes. Okay? The frittata is ready. It's looking good. I'm going to cut a piece so you guys can see it. Hi guys, so that's the final result of the frittata. It's looking really good. I'm going to eat now, and you can do your recipe of the frittata and post on social media a picture or a video of you doing it and tag us. Okay? Bye bye!